Fortunately, I was very young. I think I was like 23 years old. And I think the first turn off I had was driving the car and someone saying to me, "Hey, beautiful car." There's a couple girls. And I was like, "Oh, you know, thanks." And they're like, "Daddy's not driving it today." Anyways, shortly after that, sold that. Here, as you can see in front of the Track1 building, this is the flagship car. When we were doing the Track1 suspension for various cars, I had purchased this back in 2020. Wyzak, full package. It's a 2019 GT3. As you know, as the Panda car, kind of famous when it was out. It's one of my personal cars, white being my favorite too. So it was a must do. I think this will be my 4th Porsche that I've had. So at the beginning when we started Track1, we had done a lot of development with suspension. We had great success with it. A lot of my friends have high-end cars. Like something like this, a lot of Porsches, BMWs. We started doing testing with their cars. The reliability was unbelievable. They loved the ride. We dialed it in pretty good. Our claim to fame is if you do have a problem with it, we keep everything, all the parts in stock here in Vaughan. So if you need something, you buy our suspension, there's a problem. And I'll be honest with you guys, we don't have a lot of problems with our suspension. We've been pretty lucky with it, but no one's perfect. But when there is a problem, we do take care of people right away. Really didn't want to change much on the car, but wanted an exhaust, wanted something better. Didn't want to buy something, wanted to develop something for it. This wasn't like a first time of doing an exhaust on the car. Myself have been developing exhaust since back in 1999. So when we did the exhaust on this, we did 2 versions. Did a titanium and a full stainless exhaust. We also did muffler bypass deletes. We did a straight pipe for guys that, you know, like me, that winds up always just having it wide open. And for the guys that want a little quietness every now and again, we have the valve version also. This particular car, I think it's probably seen about 4,000 kilometers of track use with the same exhaust that we've had on here. We've had a couple on here, mainly at the beginning when we were doing test fitting, but right now it has the same exhaust that I've done all the track driving on it. I think this car has definitely seen more track use than it actually has seen street use.